LTC Solution provides a scheduling module that allows all staff to view their respective schedule. Supervisors can create their schedule based on the number and type of staff needed for their department. Shifts may also be updated by supervisors in the event that an employee is unable to work, or if a shift is switched with another employee. Extra shifts may also be added as needed. Shifts may also be deleted by supervisors if they are found to be unnecessary for that day, week, or even month. Supervisors and staff may also put in their requests for time off in this module. These requests will then be available for supervisors and directors to view in their My Tasks icon, and then accept or reject these requests. Staff may view if the request has been accepted or rejected by viewing the Time Off report in the Reports section. As an added feature, supervisors can also copy their schedule of the last 7 days if it remains unchanged for the upcoming week. The program also allows administrators and supervisors to assign tasks for staff. Begin by starting in the Tasks tab in the Scheduling module and select the Set Up Tasks link for the appropriate department. You will then be prompted to enter the number of tasks you would like to create. After submitting this information, you will now enter what task you wish to create, a start and end time frame, and an optional start and end date if the task is only temporary. You will then select how often the task should be performed and what days of the week. You will also specify where the task should be performed and what type of staff it should be assigned to. You will repeat this process until all new task information is filled out. When you're finished entering task information, click the Submit Record button. These tasks will now be displayed in the appropriate department's Task tab. To view notes in the daily log, start on your department's main page and select the daily log icon. Next, click on the day you wish to view. The daily log is set up to allow any facility staff to write notes pertaining to a resident, as well as general notes pertaining to a specific department or the entire facility. The daily log is also used to document other incidents and occurrences to other staff, such as if a medication was not given to a resident because of a specific circumstance. This is a very useful tool to help keep all staff informed and up to date on happenings within their facility. Supervisors should also familiarize themselves with the extensive list of reports available to them. Begin by clicking on the Reports icon in the home page. A list of reports for every department will now be displayed. Clicking on any report allows the user to view it. Next, staff will explore the Work Order module. Begin by clicking on the Work Order icon in the home page. Select which room needs service, and select a time range of when it will be needed. The maintenance staff can then sort these work orders by order of importance. Finally, enter the maintenance requested for the room. Maintenance staff can view and perform open work orders by clicking on the wrench icon next to an open work order. They will then be able to identify the system to be repaired, as well as the cost of parts, the cost of labor, and the total cost. If outside help is required, such as bringing in a serviceman or contractor, staff will need to check the box as required. They will then enter the name of who performed the maintenance, and when the service is complete, they will enter the date completed, as well as check the box below it to verify its completion. A box is provided to enter information regarding any other related repairs or maintenance performed during the work order, as well as a box to enter information regarding services performed. Maintenance supervisors may also add an MSDS to the database. Start in the Facilities Management main page and select the MSDS tab. Select the Add MSDS link. Click the Choose File button to browse your computer for the MSDS file. Type in the name of the file and select the Insert MSDS button when
The
you are
maintenance
finished.
manager may upload a manual to the database.
Most MSDS may
To
be
do
found
so,
online.
start in the
They
Facilities
may otherwise
Management
be
main
scanned
page
into a
and
file
select
if
the
they are not
Manuals
found
tab.
online, and can then be inserted into
Select
the
the Add
program.
Manual link. Click the Choose File button to browse your computer for the manual to be uploaded. Type in the name of the manual and click the Insert Manual.
They can add expenditures for various operating expenses accrued by the facility and compare it to the allotted budget. This will also reveal if the expenditure has caused the category to be under or over budget, or if it has met the budget. Numbers that are under budget will be shown in green, numbers that are over budget will appear in red, and numbers that exactly meet the budget will be displayed in black. The report will also reveal what % of the total budget is being used. If staff have any questions about specific functions in any module or pertaining to a certain task, they are encouraged to reference the Help menu in the top corner of their screen, which provides a detailed written explanation of how to access and perform various modules and their functions. Video tutorials are included as well.